How to fix PUBG background process has crashed. Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you guys how to fix this error. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Windows security. So go to the start menu and then type in Windows security. Click on it and open it up. Once you open it up, go to device security and then you'll find the core isolation settings there. Click over to core isolation details, and you just need to make sure that your memory integrity is turned off. So if this is turned on, just make sure to turn it off and close it out. The second method you can try to do is go to your Steam, open up PUBG, and then go to its settings icon. Now click on properties, and once your properties is open, go to installed files, and then you can always verify the integrity of your game files. The last step you can try to do is update your graphics drivers. So you can do that by opening up your browser. And once you open browser, search for NVIDIA graphics card update or whichever graphics card you have. Then click on the second link. And here you have two options. You can either automatically update the drivers or manually search for the driver. So if you know your manual driver search, you can just enter here and then start search, update the driver from there. Or if you want the latest ones, just click on automatic update. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.